Rahul and Praveen, drop your photos of connection diagram. Yeah. Yeah, Jatin is found the address. No.
Yeah, yeah, hello, Pawan.
Yeah, sorry.
Like what happened now? Like today I'm using my ESP is getting heated up very quickly. Like I'm using for like 30 to 40 seconds. It's getting too much of heat. I don't know why.
It's heating.
Maybe
Yeah,
it is
it's too
getting
much.
short. Maybe.
First of
Uh,
all, remove the connection. Remove all the connection if it is heating.
like everything is working properly. Like from starting of today onwards, like from that before relay onwards, it's getting too much of heat. Within like 30 seconds, if I connect to the system, if I'm doing powering it up, it's becoming too hot.
Without any connection even, right?
No, not without any like without any connection also. If while flashing the code also, it's becoming too hot. I don't know why.
Okay.
I'm even unable to touch the like core part, that metal part. It's becoming too hot.
No, it should not
Any,
be that. Maybe there is some ESP only gets shorted when it gets some kind of shorting.
okay. Maybe I need to remove this from breadboard. I think any issue with the breadboard, I guess.
Uh, maybe there could be issues. So try to remove from the breadboard and check it again if there may be. Hello, Rahul and Praveen. You
I'm reconnecting a circuit and checking.
okay?
My VS Code has stuck on